happy. Today let's find out the names of 17 different wild animals. Part 5 of 6. The first wild animal on our list for the day is the beaver. Beaver. Next is the snow leopard. Snow leopard. Then we have the raccoon. Raccoon. Next is hedgehog. Hedgehog. Moving on, we have the meerkat, which can also be pronounced as meerkat. Meerkat or meerkat. Next is lynx. Lynx. Then we have the iguana. Iguana. The next wild animal on our list is the Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Then we have the puma. Puma. The next one is antelope. Antelope. Then we have the polar bear. Polar bear. Moving on, we have the bison. Bison. Next is flying squirrel. Flying squirrel. Then we have the porcupine. Porcupine. Next is mongoose. Mongoose. Then we have the nutria. Nutria. And the last wild animal on our list for the day is the wild horse. Wild horse. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different wild animals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. And be sure to check out the other parts of our wild animal series to know the names of more wild animals. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.